Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you guys know me, you know I'm a big fan of everything that is quick setup when it comes to camping. That's the whole reason I came up with this camper. And as you know, I have everything set up inside as far as sink, kitchen, toilet. If you guys haven't watched that video yet, I'm going to put a link over here. Please check that out. But besides what I have inside, I wanted to have something for the outside for quick access. Let's say if I want to wash my hands, I didn't want to go in and out of the camper. So that's the whole reason I came up with this DIY magnetic sink over here, which is very easy to make. I got most of the stuff from Harbor Freight. It took me about 30 minutes to make this, which I'm going to show you guys how to do it in a bit. But before I do that, please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. I'm doing a lot of solo off-roading, overlanding, camping, DIYs, and a lot of off-roading and camping tips. So now let me show you guys how to make this. Okay, so we're going to need magnetic paper towel holder from Harbor Freight, also collapsible sink from Amazon, and a 1.5 inch aluminum profile, which I got it from Home Depot. So first I'm going to cut 2 8 inches of this profile. Okay, so after cutting the 2 profiles, I'm going to attach them like so to the sink. So the sink has a holder already, which I'm gonna use that as is, and then I'm going to drill 3 more holes. So next I'm going to hold the profile against the sink, and I'm going to mark the profile where I want to drill. Next, I'm going to use some bolts and nuts to attach the sink to the profile. Next, I'm going to attach these 2 magnetic bases to the profile. But before doing that, I'm going to remove the knobs. While holding the magnetic base flush against the aluminum profile, I'm going to mark where I want to drill. Next, I'm going to mark the magnetic base, and I'm going to drill that as well. Next, I'm going to attach the magnetic base to the aluminum profile using some bolts and nuts. So for the faucet, I'm using this rechargeable water dispenser from Amazon, and for its base I'm using the magnetic cup holder from Harbor Freight, which I drilled a hole in the bottom for the 1/4 inch tubing to go in. So this is how the finished product looks like. I have the paper towel holder here. These are basically the same things that I used as a base for the sink. That's my faucet, and I got this as well from Harbor Freight, which I'm using as a shelf to put my dishwashing soap and sponge over here. As you guys know, I have a 13 gallons water tank inside, and this is the water inlet. Basically, this is where I fill up the tank from outside. So what I use is a 1/4 inch tubing, which is connected to the water dispenser. I have the same thing inside for the sink. So same thing with a push of a button. I have water, I can wash my hands and dishes. And when I'm done, I can put the dishes over here on this tire table, which is a mesh. It's easy for air to get in and air dry the dishes. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. One thing I want to mention is if you're camping, please clean after yourself. Don't be like this guy. I mean, if you're camping in this beautiful nature and you're enjoying this, please keep it clean for the next person that wants to camp here and enjoy this area. Until next time, explore, be safe, and don't forget to enjoy life. Also, don't forget to clean up after yourself.